Victoria. I'm from Nanjing GS-mach Extrusion Equipment Corporation. Now I am at our factory. Today we have a machine running for the new developed GS-35 laboratory use twin screw extruder and equipped with water ring pelletizing line. I can tell you frankly that this whole production line is unique in China. It's very unique because in the market, mostly manufacturers or factories with a twin screw extruder level size only equipped with water strain pelletizing line. However, what we equipped is water ring pelletizing line. This pelletizing line shares much more advantage compared with the traditional one. So now it is very hottest indeed. In China, we have already sold many this kind of types. So let's take a close look of each part of the machines. Now follow me. Firstly, we can see the whole production line shares with a capacity of 30 to 50 kilogram per hour. And for this one, this is a motor. This is a main motor, shares 18.5 kilowatts. And the total kilowatt for the production line is 30. And this one is the control panel. It can control the speed of the metal and control the speed of feeder and the speed of pelletizing. It will show the different speed on this screen panel. And for this one, this is the electrical control system part. And this is a gearbox. And for this one is a hopper feeder, the metering hopper feeder. And in this production line, we designed for the twin screw extruder that with 12 sections barrel. The first section barrel is feeding barrel. This one is feeding barrel. And the fifth one is natural exhaust barrel. And also the 11th is also the natural exhaust barrel. Inside are the twin screw extruder. The screw diameter is 35.6, the diameter. And the length to diameter ratio is 48 against 1. So I will go to another part to show you the pelletizing and the screen exchanger. Okay. Firstly, you could see these devices. We have this slide device. This one is very good because in the market, usually they have equipped with a cart that is separated from the production line, which will make the pelletizing and the die head not matched with each other and not fit very good. But with this one, these slide devices can make the hot cutting die head and the blade perfect match. In this circle, it has the blade. So it will, after sliding, it will be a perfect match with each other and will pelletizing the very good stable quality granules. This one is a pelletizing. Let me show you inside of it. You could see there has a blade in the circle. After sliding to each other, it will fit it very good. This device has much more advantage in the market. And also for this one, our screen exchanger is hydraulic automatic controlled. This one in market mostly are the manually controlled screen exchanger. It will take employees to operate. However, with this one automatically controlled, you will no need employees to do this. Okay, and this part is soft water cooling system. It will cooling the pellets from here, and then this is a side of the centrifugal dehydrator. Will be a dewatering process. The water will be stored in this part, and the dewatering pellets will come through here to this. This is a 1.5 meter length vibrating sieve. The pellets will come into this part. You could see these pellets are in very good condition, perfect condition, with good appearance and also stable sizes, with even regular sizes. And then this is a bottle for the blowing. It will blowing those pellets through the pipes. And finally store in this silo. And pellets will come through pack. And then we will do package of the pack.